Hello student, welcome to next practical of web page designing with HTML. Today we see the practical number 5, that is create web page using different types of list in HTML. Okay, so in this practical we see the different types of list, how we can create different types of list in HTML document. So the practical significance is lists are used to create well structured and easy to maintain document. It is a group of related piece of information and clearly associated with each other, which are more accessible. This practical is useful for organizing content of the page by implementing different types of list. Okay, so in this practical we see the types of list and the various tag related to list. What is use of list? We are use list to organize or maintain the data in well structured manner. Okay, so this is practical significance. Next, there are relevant program outcomes like discipline, knowledge, experiment and practice, engineering tools, individual and teamwork, and communication. Okay, so these are the various program outcomes. Okay, then next relevant course outcome, use list tag to present the content on the web page. Okay, so in this practical we see these tags. Okay, so there are some theoretical backgrounds is given. So here are various different list tag. First is UL, that is unordered list. Okay, this tag is used, UL tag is used for the unordered list. This will list item using plain bullets. Okay, then OL list, OL that is ordered list. This is use different scheme of numbers to list your items. Okay, in order list we can place our items by 1 2 3 A B C Roman I. Okay, that any order you can place to your list. Next, last one is definition list. This arrange your item in some way as they are arranged in the dictionary. Okay, so these are the three tags we see one by one in practical demonstration. Here is one output is given in exercise. Write HTML code for the following output using different types of lists. So we perform this various operation. Now first we display an unordered list. Okay, so for that here code is, I write the basic program. All of you know this, what is this, and inside body we write the code to display the first unordered list. Okay, so here our output is an unordered list. Okay, for to get this, first in body I create one heading h2. All of you know the what is h2 tag. It is the heading tag. Okay, inside that I write okay, what is title, an unordered list. Okay, so I write in h2 an unordered list. Okay, then colon, and here I close h2. Okay, so then next save this file. Okay, so our title is here, an unordered
Grammarly
list.
does more than catch error.
Then next, here we want to display 4 items: beetroot, ginger, potato and radish. So for that first we create the unordered list. Okay, so remember student, for unordered list we use the tag UL and then close UL. Okay, and inside that we write the our items. Okay, so for that we use li tag to mention the item in the list. Okay, first is read root. Okay, then close li. Okay, after that second option is ginger. Okay, then close li. Then third option is potato, then close li, and last option is your radish. Okay, then close li. Okay, and save and refresh the page. Okay, so this is an unordered list. We get the first. Okay, then we perform the second and order nested list, order list perform करेंगे. So for that we write next part. So for order list we write OL. Okay, and then close OL. Inside these two tag we write the order list. Okay, so for that first we create one list li with here options are coffee, close the li tag. Then second option is tea. Okay, sorry, here li, then tea, and inside again close li. Okay, and third option is li milk. Okay, so then close li. Okay, then save the program and refresh our page. Okay, so you get this three options. Okay, so our we not mention title, so for title again copy this and before order list paste. Okay, so an order list. Okay, then save, and if you refresh then our list is there. Okay, so in second order list there are again in second option there are sub option black tea and green tea. So for that we in tea again create one order list. Okay, OL and close OL. Okay, and then inside that first option is li, first option is your black tea, black tea, then close li, and second option is green tea. Okay, so for that again green tea. Okay, then close li. Okay, student remember, all the student remember this tag. Okay, every tag have specific use. Li tag used to mention the item. Okay, list item. So again I here we create another order list in T, and here close the order list, and there are two options black tea and green tea. Save the file and then again refresh the page, so you get the orderly. Okay, now difference is here coffee and tea 1, 2 and 3. Here is A and B. So for that we here type for second, type is one attribute, type is equal to in double quote write A. Why? Because we want to start first option with A, so it get the serial from A, B, C, D. Okay, save this. Okay, here change कहाँ पे आएगा, यहाँ पे. Okay, so 1, 2 की जगह पे वो A, B कर देगा. Okay, then again there are two option in green tea, China and Africa. So for that again create one order list inside in green tea. So for that here I create one order list. Okay, and type is small I. Okay, is equal to small I. Okay, then in that list there are two items li. First is China, and here close the li. Okay, and next one is Africa. So li Africa, then close the li. Okay, so here we open one list and then close the order list. Okay, inside after green. Okay, save this and refresh the page, so you get the output coffee, tea, China, Africa. Okay, so milk is in first list. So for that here one OL order list is open. Here that list is closed. Okay, second list open here and close here. then save. Okay, so you get this proper output. Okay, this is our output. Okay, so next we see the definition list. So before that, first we check our all. Here we open unordered list and close unordered list, and in unordered list there are 4 options. Then again we create one ordered list by tag OL. Here first list is closed. Then there are 3 options, 1 2 3. Okay, inside T there are again OL. Okay, so black tea and green tea. Okay, then here for OL is closed. Okay, why? Because this second list is closed here. Okay, OL black tea, which having 2 options, black tea and green tea. Then again inside not close here, here it is closed. Okay, slash OL. Here we get the proper output. Okay, for in first list coffee, tea and milk, and then in tea there are sub option black tea and green tea, and in green tea there are sub option China and Africa. So you get the order list. Then next, here next tag is DL tag. Okay, so in DL tag we display like dictionary. First remember this is our tag, heading, and then HTML, then description, HTTP description. Okay, so in DL list there are two sub tag DT, that is definition term, that is HTML. इथे यहाँ पे क्या है, HTML जो टर्म है उसके लिए हम उसको DT में मेंशन करेंगे, और जो डिस्क्रिप्शन देना है उसका तो उसको DD में, डेटा डिस्क्रिप्शन. ओके, so for that first we create one, here we create one DL. Okay, so DL tag and then close the DL. Okay, inside that we first create one DT. What is DT? Data term. Okay, so first term is HTML. Okay, before that we give one heading. After OL list, here definition list, type HTML definition list. Okay, save this. Then we create DL list. Inside DL first term is DT. Okay, so here close DT. Next we want to define some description. Okay, so for that we use DD tag. Okay, DD, here we write this means hypertext markup language. Okay, so here DD is closed. Okay, so remember this is not given in your manual. So first one is DT, that is this is our data term, and data definition write in the DD tag. Okay, similarly we add another term here, write HTTP. Okay, and the full form of HTTP is hypertext transfer protocol. Okay, transfer protocol. Okay, save this and then refresh your page. Okay, so you get the output that mentioned in your manual. Okay, so this way we can perform the various list tag. For unordered list we use UL, for ordered list we use OL tag, and inside OL tag we use type attributes to mention the alphabets or sequence number. And then in DL list we define two another tags, DT and DD. DT is used for the term and dd is used for description. Okay, and we use li tag in list. Okay, so these are the various list tag using HTML document. So thank you.